amazing dream. It's lasted over 30 years. Our dream is to visit every national park in America. It's been thousands of miles, countless bumps along the way. But we'll just keep moving on, pursuing this amazing dream. It's down to fire.
Andy Murray, one of the fiercest competitors in tennis, the 26-year-old from Scotland will play at the U.S. Open next week as the tournament's defending champion. Last month, Murray achieved a historic victory at Wimbledon. We've talked about that match and more in an interview at New York's Madison Square Garden. It was
Get the bottom line on Nissan Road. Lease just $179 per month. Shop at choosenissan.com.
the power of lined upper moving fury.
Lower prices at Kroger and Scott. It's incredible savings on the items you buy every day. Like soft drinks, fresh, local produce, even natural foods. How low can we go?
Real low.
So get low with more savings on the items you buy most often at Kroger and Scott.
And there are great weekly specials, too. Right now, select half gallons of Kroger milk are just 99 cents each. Only at your neighborhood Kroger and Scott.
True luxury isn't found following convention, because true luxury follows no one. Its beauty provokes, its touch seduces, its power frees. We believe true luxury liberates. The all-new Infiniti Q50. It's the all-new Infiniti Q50 with all-new